All right, well, let's talk about our next weather alert because we have issued it for Wednesday and Thursday as we are expecting some really hot temperatures for the week inland. And this is where we are looking at those alerts being under. So once you get away from the coast, this is where the heat really starts to pick up. So that means inland Orange County, inland LA County, and then also the San Fernando, San Gabriel, Santa Clarita Valley, the Antelope Valley, and also parts of the Inland Empire. So what are we watching for? So the warming trend continues. Temperatures today will be even warmer than yesterday by 4 to 8 degrees. Peak heat should be arriving by tomorrow as temperatures will be about 10 to 15 degrees above average. Thursday will also be hot. It's just some areas may not be as hot as Wednesday because we really start to feel those temperatures go down just slightly, maybe by a degree or two by Thursday. And then that cooling continues to spread as we head into the rest of the week. Here's a look at what it feels like right now. So we are waking up to some temperatures in the 60s for Claremont and also for the Burbank area. We do have some low 60s near the airport and also Fullerton and then also Santa Ana. So if we want to look at the temperature difference from this time yesterday, 24 hours ago, we're up by 10 degrees for Claremont, up by 6 for the Pasadena or the Burbank area, 4 for Pasadena, 3 for Fullerton, 5 for Lancaster, and then we're about 6 degrees warmer this morning in the Riverside area compared to this time yesterday. You can see with the live radar, not much going on. That's because high pressure is building in and it's strengthening, and that's what's keeping things a lot hotter, especially as you head inland hour by hour. We're looking at the forecast climbing up into the high 80s by the lunch hour for San Bernardino, and then once we head toward the afternoon, we're looking at that's where those 90s start to climb up. And then we're also looking at some low 90s in the Santa Clarita Valley as well. So you can see lots of sunshine once we head into the latter part of the morning. Not much going on in terms of that marine layer, but we could start to see that marine layer thicken up once we get into Thursday because we're looking at hot temperatures inland, and then things actually start to cool on Thursday, as I mentioned, just slightly as a low pressure system passes to the north of us. This will continue with the cool down as we head into Friday. And then once we head into this upcoming long holiday weekend, temperatures won't be as hot as what we're feeling right now. So here's a look at that 7-day forecast. We'll have 98 closer to triple digits tomorrow for the Inland Empire, 96 by Thursday, still staying in the 90s for Friday. And then once we head into the long holiday weekend, we get back down into the 80s. Valleys are looking at temperatures also staying in the 90s through Thursday, and then 80s start to appear once we head toward the end of the week. All right, Kalina?